Well, all the colors are changing on these leaves and fall has arrived. And it's time to shut down the garden. That's a wrap on gardening. So today I'm going to be cleaning up the tomatoes. I have to pick some beautiful cherry tomatoes and pull the remainder of the beets and the carrots. And then do one last rototill. And then this ground can rest all winter. And then we'll do it again next year. So let me show you what I'm doing today. It's October 2nd, but it's hot in the sun. It's going to be very warm today. What a producer. These ones are still good too, eh? No, not that one. You know, that all came from one seed. Can you believe it? How nature works. Fantastic. One thing I would mention is that this trellis system worked good with the zip ties, but teardown was more difficult than just using cages. But I think still overall it's a better method because the tomatoes stay off the ground. So even though it's more work at the end, I think the benefits during the growing season outweigh that. So to pull these posts out, you have a post pounder. This is a multi-purpose tool. It has the open end for driving in the posts. What you're going to do though is take, well actually yeah, you would still use this end. And on these nodes here, that's how you pull it out. Because you might think, well, how are you going to get that out of the ground? You put it in so far. You use this as a lever. Okay. Oh, now she's moving on me. Okay. And that's how it comes out nice and easily. Better than trying to pull it out with your hands. I mean, you might not even be able to do that. Oh, that's a big one. Holy moly. Again, for size, I always compare things to the size of my head. I think if we were talking like effort to size or yield ratio, beets are the best. They're easy to grow, easy to pick, and they produce a lot of food. So even though I might not like them taste-wise, they're healthy and provide you with lots of food. So one day I might be hungry and want to eat them, right? So lots of vitamins. Have you ever seen something like that? Wow, this one has 4 legs. You wouldn't want to have a carrot measuring contest with me now, would you? Excuse me, Beldar. I believe it is time for midday succession of activity for protein carbo intake. That's the way I like them cooked, to be honest with you. That's not a mistake. I'm going to do that on purpose. Very well done. Deep fried and covered in bacon would be even better, but hey, this will do the job. Yes, it is October 2nd. 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 27 degrees Celsius. Beautiful. We couldn't ask for anything better than that. And I'm just having it with ketchup and mustard. I don't really like I've got sauerkraut in the fridge, but I just eat that stuff straight up. I don't like too messy of a hot dog. I just like it nice and clean and tidy. I find that if you overload a hot dog, it's a little hard to eat, especially if you've got a mustache or a beard. Hamburgers are a different story. I can load up a hamburger, but... And I put the ketchup and mustard first. I don't like putting the ketchup and mustard on top of the hot dog. I think it goes everywhere. This way, it is a self-contained unit. They are burnt, some people would say, but it's an excellent taste. Because hot dogs, you know, needs to have some kind of crunch to it, I think. Just the way I wanted it. It's fantastic. Hey guys, you want a carrot? You want a carrot? You have to enjoy some of the harvest too. Oh yeah. Okay guys, sit nice. You're sitting nicely. Good, go. Oh, you're a happy puppy. So this is where we started the gardening journey at the beginning of the year with this pick seed sign. Good things growing. And this is where we'll finish it off. So that's a wrap for the garden 2025. I'm very pleased. I think everything went very well. Okay guys, we just left Mountain Bean. I hope my microphone sounds good and I hope the wind isn't too bad. But we're just gonna go slow on 70 kilometers an hour road and see some nice fall colors. Let's go. So this is the town of Lockport again. This is, I think, the third or fourth time you guys have been here with me. But I pretty much always go to the same places and do the same things. But I'm gonna go to Skinner's. Let's go to Skinner's, I think. Let's see what they have to offer today. Okay, so here we've got the Skinner's large fries and gravy coming in at $10 after tax. But it is a good size serving, so can't complain about that. Let's do a little bit of a taste test. And gravy on the side, which is nice, so that it doesn't get soggy. Oh, fantastic. Fries are proper. I would give it I'm going 9 out of 10. I already know. 9 out of 10. I think the gravy could have a bit more pepper, but that's okay. Fries could be a little crispier, but I won't complain about that. Still gets a 9 out of 10. They're good. I said I was gonna get ice cream, but I haven't had hot food from here for a while. In the spring I came here, I had ice cream. I had a Snickers Twister, like a Blizzard, but I think this is a better choice. And this is in Lockport, so we're approximately 25 minutes away from Winnipeg. 15 on a fast motorcycle. And all the bikes are coming through here. Lots of bikes. Everyone's enjoying this beautiful day. The thermometer is still showing 27 degrees Celsius. So we're still pushing almost 80 degrees Fahrenheit. And the sun sets pretty early these days, so we get off work and we have to go riding. Okay, so I almost scarfed all of it down. But one thing I would say is that it was a long wait for fries. But I'm okay with that because I'd rather have hot, good food rather than, you know, not properly prepared food. So it's high quality stuff here. You're paying a lot of money, but you get something good. And they are known for, well, they claim to be home of the world famous hot dog.